Assalamu alaikum students. Our today's topic is polar and non-polar bonds. These two types are of covalent bonds: polar covalent bonds and non-polar covalent bonds. First of all, let's see what is this. So, non-polar bonds mean a covalent bond in which shared electrons are equally shared between the two atoms because they have the same or very similar electronegativities. No partial charges are formed. An example of non-polar covalent bonds are hydrogen molecule, chlorine, oxygen molecule. So bonds that are present between these molecules are non-polar covalent bonds. And for polar covalent bond in which shared electrons are unequally shared between the two bonded atoms because electron attract the one atom attract the electrons more strongly than the other due to difference in electronegativity. This create partial positive and partial negative charges. An example of polar covalent bonds are bonds that are present in water molecule, hydrogen chloride. Now we will see its detail. So when a covalent bond is formed between two identical atoms, the shared pair of electron lies at the middle of the two bonded atoms that is present in the center and is equally shared. This gives rise to pure covalent bond, which is essentially non-polar in character because electrons are equally shared. For example, covalent bond that is present between hydrogen atoms in hydrogen molecule and bond that is present between chlorine atoms in chlorine molecule. These are non-polar in nature. Contrary to this, when covalent bond is formed between two non-identical atoms, the shared pair of electrons bend toward the atom which has more electronegativity. And you must know that electronegativity is the power to pull the shared electron pair toward itself. So as a result, partial negative charge is created on the more electronegative atom and equal partial positive charge is created on the less electronegative atom because electron will be close to the electronegative element, so it will create partial negative charge. A polar covalent bond is thus formed. For example, in case of HCl molecule, the shared pair of electron bends towards the more electronegative chlorine atom. In this case, chlorine is more electronegative as compared to hydrogen atom, creating a partial negative charge on it. The covalent bond present in HCl molecule is covalent bond. Here it is shown that this electron pair is shared between hydrogen and chlorine. It must be shared equally, but it is not shared equally because chlorine has more electronegativity. So it will attract the shared electron pair toward itself, which will create partial negative charge on it, and partial positive charge will be created on the hydrogen atom, and symbol for the partial negative charge is shown here. Similarly, covalent bond that is present in water is also polar covalent bond. Here you can see that oxygen has more electronegativity, so it has partial negative charge because it will pull these shared electron pairs towards itself, and hydrogen will have partial positive charge.